guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nathanie and this is my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a from 0 to 100 transformation. So basically this will be the beginning and then obviously it'll be the 100 thereafter. But I'm probably going to take you on like the whole thing of how I do it, like how I get ready, because I'm actually going to a friend's birthday party and I need to get ready for it. So that's what I'm probably going to do right now, and I will take you with me on my journey because there's many levels to this shit. But please be sure to subscribe if you are new to this channel. And for my returning subscribers, hey family, hope you're doing well. And I'm sure you realize that I don't have lashes on, so I literally had to go buy lashes because I'm like, I can't not wear lashes, like who am I? So I had to go do that early this morning, and yeah, so I'm gonna get ready now. I'll see you soon. Sorry. So I'm back. I just got out of the shower. I shaved my legs. You know, you have to do these things when you're a girl and you're wearing a dress. I washed my hair, and then now I'm just cleansing my face just a tad before we start face beating. And then I did my hair quickly now. Not much that I had to do, but you know, just so that it can air dry while we get ready, and it's just easier like that. Okay. Oh, sunscreen. I'm going to be applying sunscreen. I want that to set into my face, and I'll be back in like 2 seconds. So this is the finished look. My battery's about to die. I was going to show you my outfit, but I'll probably take pictures and I will put it on Instagram, or I will put it right here. But this is the end of the video, and I will see you next time.